I'm Budgie Montoya, and this is the Great British Chef's signature series. Mantra in the restaurant is Filipino soul and London heart. We always aim to keep the soul of the dish, but we want to make sure that we're putting our spin on it. One of the great things about our cuisine is that there's so many different regions. No two adobos are the same, but yeah, Mum's adobo is always best. A lot of our cooking is based on instinct. Whilst we have a base recipe, we'll allow adjustments based on our taste. So yeah, it's cooking with the heart. Hi, I'm Budgie Montoya from Sarap. We're here today at 10 Head-on Street. Today we'll be cooking lechon belly. This dish is something that's been on our menu from the day one, so it's a dish that we're sort of well known for. It's a celebratory dish, and it's just delicious. Cool, so nice piece of pork belly here. We're just gonna score on the side. So salt and pepper, quite liberal, a little bit of vinegar. We're using Filipino cane vinegar, and then a little bit of soy sauce. Again, Filipino soy sauce. Vinegar is definitely one of the most important ingredients in Filipino cuisine. It's pretty much used in the majority of our dishes in some way, shape or form, or through dipping sauces at the table. So a little bit of ginger there, a little bit of garlic, and then you want to spread that out. You're going to get into those little cracks and crevices. Let's use our hands. So once we got that, we're going to put some spring onions. So this is just going to bring some aromatics to the dish. Then we're going to put some lemongrass. You just want to bruise that. Don't be shy on the lemongrass. And then some chilies. Again, this is more for sort of aromatic flavors as opposed to spice. So once that's done, we're just going to use some butcher string to tie that. Start with the middle, secure that. So just tying that to a nice sort of roll. It's nice and secure. And this will allow the aromats to seep through when you're cooking nice and slow in the oven. Traditionally, this is a dish that's cooked over charcoal. A whole pig over charcoal, rotisserie, manned by usually someone's uncle. So that's it there. And then now we're just gonna put this on a rack, a tray with a rack, and then we'll put a little bit of vinegar over the top. And this will just help with crisping up the skin. I just wanna season that liberally, and then do that good rub. The vinegar allows the skin to shrink a little bit and dry out, and that gives it this sort of glass-like crispiness as well, along with the low temperature. So that's all rolled and ready to go. So it's going to go in the oven. 160 degrees Celsius, full fan, will be about 3 hours for a size this big. So that's all ready now. It's been in the oven for about 3 hours and 20 minutes. And what we're looking for is this. So nice and crispy on the outside. And beautifully juicy on the inside. That's what we're looking for. Watch your fingers, it is hot. So you want to remove the chilies and the lemongrass, but the ginger and the garlic's fine in there. In the Philippines, I would say pork and chicken are probably the two most used meats. Obviously in the southern sort of regions, being mostly Muslim, it's obviously chicken. I like to have sort of natural style plating. It isn't, forced or anything like that. It is very relaxed. But yeah, we try and keep it as simple as possible. Let the ingredients speak for themselves. We obviously want people to like what they see, but we care more about them tasting it as opposed to looking at it. So that's ready to go. And then depending on whether you're from Cebu, there's the salsa one, which essentially means dipping sauce. So in that one there's coconut vinegar, soy sauce, ginger, garlic, and some chilies, or the barbecue sauce generally found in the northern parts of the Philippines. This is my pork belly lechon with salsa one and mang tomas.